Welcome to Priya's lecture. Today we will be discussing a simple topic called haptens. The word hapten is derived from the Greek word haptein, which means to fasten. Going into the definition of haptens, haptens are low molecular weight substance that lack immunogenicity but become immunogenic on combining with a large molecular weight protein called carrier. Okay, haptens are low molecular weight substances. They are incapable of inducing antibody formation, which says it is lacking immunogenicity but react specifically with antibodies, which is telling that it is antigenic. That is, it is possessing an antigenicity. Antigenicity is present, but immunogenicity is absent. How haptens will become immunogenic? When haptens combine with large molecular weight proteins called carrier, it will become immunogenic. Okay. There are two types of haptens: complex haptens and simple haptens. Complex haptens contain two or more epitopes, which is a polyvalent, whereas simple haptens contain only one epitope, it is univalent. Complex hapten, they react with specific antibody and form hapten antibody complex. This hapten antibody complex can be visualized by precipitation reactions. Simple haptens can bind to antibodies, but hapten antibody complex cannot be visualized because it is non-precipitating in nature. Simple haptens are non-precipitating in nature, so we cannot visualize the hapten antibody complex. Moving to the next topic, epitopes. Epitope is the smallest unit of antigenicity. It is also called as antigenic determinant. It usually consists of 4 or 5 amino acids or monosaccharide residues. Okay. And it usually possesses a specific chemical structure, electrical charge, or spatial configurations. It is incapable of sensitizing an immunocytes, but it reacts with complementary site of antibodies, which is important. Okay. It can react with a complementary site of antibodies. There are two types of epitope: linear epitope and conformational epitopes. Linear epitope is also called as primary sequence or sequentials. It recognizes T cells, whereas conformational epitopes are tertiary structure. It is usually formed by the folding of a linear in tertiary structures at that times, and antigenic epitopes are brought to the surface. Okay, by that tertiary structure or conformational epitope is formed. It usually recognizes the B cells. Next, paratopes, the combining area of antibody molecule corresponding to the epitope. Consider this as an epitope. If an antibody comes and binds this regions where an antibody combines with the epitope is called, this is the region is called paratope. Presence of same epitope on different antigens account for antigenic cross reactions. Thank you, friends. That's all. If you have any query, you can comment me. Okay.